Hey guys, today I found out you can scratch on a VHS machine. There's my monitor, and here's my recorder. It's a deck that I'm working on fixing, and basically it's in need of new belts. I've given it some new belts, but I don't have the main drive belt available yet. So there, I'm loading my tape. And you can see the image pops up there. I've got Jamie Page's Machine Love run on this part of the tape. So I'll turn the deck on its side so you can see the back. There's the head drum, capstan, the rest of the drive stuff, and now I'll put it into play mode, and you can see it starts trying to turn the thing. But there's no capstan belt, so I can turn it by hand. I have to keep it going forward generally so that there's no issues. But it's just like scratching on a VHS deck. So yeah.